Questionnaires are used when trying to collect a large amount of data from large groups and when the data you want to collect is not in depth. These can be used alongside other research methods, for example interviews, as well, to create a more in-depth collection of data. Participants can be anonymous and so they can feel more honest when answering, and this is a structure so it will be clearly laid out for them in order to get the best possible answers. However, there is no chance to probe questions as it is all written down and sent back to the researcher. There is also a potential for a low response rate. Some people might delete the email or throw the questionnaire in the bin, so you would need to make sure you are sending them out from a big enough sample. Open questions are used for qualitative research to express ideas and go into more depth conversation to retrieve thoughts and feelings. For example, what are your thoughts on the type of nutrition gymnasts have to stick to? Closed questions are used for quantitative research because you are trying to get specific responses which are faster and therefore producing more answers as for example, do you like trampolining? It's a yes or no answer. Within experiment designs, we have different ways to construct the experiment to collect the quantitative data we need, such as independent groups and different groups of participants that are used in each condition. In this group, there are twice as many participants as there would be in a dependent group, and they all have different abilities. Dependent groups, also known as repeated measures, use the same participants for each test where a crossover design takes place. This is where everyone does the same test but does it in a different order. This is more commonly used in tests which are investigating more than one condition, such as flexibility and power in the lower body. Finally, matched pairs is where each group of participants are matched based on all of the variables that are considered to be relevant to the experiment. They're different people, but they have similar characteristics.